In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use event pages on Squarespace. Whether you're planning a webinar, a concert, or any type of event, Squarespace offers a seamless way to organize and share your events with your audience. Let's get started by diving into the process of setting up an event page. First, let's open up Squarespace. If you haven't already, make sure you log into your Squarespace account. This will ensure you have access to all the necessary features to create and manage your event pages. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is the central hub of your website management. Take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot your profile icon. Click on this to open a drop-down menu that will list all the websites associated with your account. Choose the website where you'd like to create your event page. This step is crucial as it defines where your event will be hosted and visible to your audience. Once you've selected your website, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Pages. This area is the core of your website structure where all of your existing pages are managed. Now you'll want to create a new page, so go ahead and click the plus icon in the main navigation area. This action opens a variety of options for new pages. Scroll through and find Events and give it a click. This is where you'll be able to house all of your upcoming events in one coherent space. After selecting Events, it's time to enter a title for this page. Choose something that clearly reflects the nature of your events, as this will be your visitor's guidepost to finding your content. Next, click into the event page you've just created. Here, you'll see a plus icon situated on the side panel. Clicking this icon will allow you to add individual events to your page. Start by giving your event a title. Remember, this title will represent your event, so make it engaging and informative. Following the title, you'll need to include the date and time. Ensure accuracy here, as these details are crucial for attendees to plan their participation. Also, don't forget to input the location of your event. Whether it's a physical address or a URL for a virtual gathering, this information is vital for your audience. Once you've thoroughly filled out the event details, click Save. This action will store all the information you've just entered and safely retain it within your Squarespace account. Finally, to make your event go live, click Publish. If you're not quite ready to share your event, you can opt to click Schedule, which will allow you to publish it at a later date and time that suits your strategy. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently use event pages on Squarespace to connect with your audience and showcase your events beautifully.